Well, happy day, everybody. Welcome to some Lightning Link, a heart throb, you guys. Boom, 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 boom. It's a heart throb kind of day, and I am hoping that we can pulsate some big wins out of this machine. I hope so. I don't even know what I'm saying, you guys. I don't even know what I'm saying. I want some Ginormica wins. Ginormica wins, so I put on a Ginormica ring. This thing is huge, you guys. You know Bigfoot's tumbler. Oh my gosh, Bigfoot, don't show that, Bigfoot. Just put my hand there. His tumbler is huge, so you know my hands are huge. I think this thing is like 5.5 inches big. It's huge. Okay, calm down, Ann, calm down. You're getting too excited. Guys, here at Angel of the Winds today, all my machines have been rich person betting. And I couldn't even finish that. This is no exception. Guess where my finger is going? Bloop, 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 bloop. That's right, you guys. Rich person betting all the way to the right. Let's take a look at our progressives. The mini is 500, that minor 2,500. The major, it's almost maxed. That's why I sat at this machine, because none of the others are maxed. There's even 4 more behind this machine. 992. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing with the camera. Wee. And that grand $10,156. It just hit not too long ago. A couple days ago, I think it was. Maybe 2 days ago I saw it just hit. Something like that, you guys. So congratulations to that person. I saw it on their website. I think it was 12,500. Nice chunk of change, that's for sure. Nice chunk of change. I wouldn't mind hitting it. I'll take it at 10,000. Oh, hiccups from Bigfoot. Oh my gosh, 10,100. I'll take it, not a problem. Okay, $2 denomination. Our lucky $100 bill is in there. Let's get our volume all the way up so we can start our bump party, you guys. $10 bets. And then it goes to $20. I'm not willing to do 20 just yet. Let's try some 10s and see how it works out for us. Heartthrob can be a pretty tough game, especially when you're only playing with 5 lines. But let's see if maybe we can't drop that major. Who knows what can happen here. I don't know how many people play $2. Maybe a lot. Oh my gosh, stop it. That's $50 right there. $50 for 4 candy boxes. Okay, two more. These are our wilds, of course. We need 3 moons to get into the free spins, and then these become multipliers ×2. Each one is ×2. And then obviously our Lightning Link, we need 6 of those hearts anywhere. One more. We're gonna get teased a lot. Heartthrob loves to tease us with 2 moons. But it only takes the 3rd moon to come out. One more. See? Yeah, you see. You can see with your eyes. You don't have to see with your nose. You can see with your eyes. Guys, how's everybody doing today? You guys having a great day? Everybody well out there and happy and smiley? Hopefully you're full of love on the other side of the tube. You guys saw that, right? You saw the major go by. Yeah, I saw it too. Come on, big ring. We need those big wins, please. Hi, everybody. Bigfoot, what else do you want to say? I don't know. Sometimes I just like staring in the camera, even though I can't see myself. I think I can look pretty. What is the pretty? I don't know, Aunt. Hi, everybody. I give everybody a kiss. Okay, I'll get out of the way now. Bigfoot, you're so silly. I tell you guys, Bigfoot sometimes is just, I don't know what he is. he is just, yeah. He is just, yeah. Well, we had that nice $50 line hit, and now we're in major danger zone with one spin left. Okay. None of our machines up here have wager savers, or very few have wager savers. So I have to get into the black bag. You know, I've been doing rich person betting all day long here, satisfying many of you that ask in the comments, can you do higher bets? Can you do? So that's what we're doing today. Some rich person betting. I don't know about $2, you guys. Not much is happening. Let's go over to dollars and let's really go crazy, you guys. How about 15? How about 15? You know, let's just try it. You never know. You never know. Now the major's $9.94. Wish you were one lower. We could have had 5 of a kind kings. Uh-oh. Down to 28. What is happening here? What is happening? Heart throb. The only thing you're throbbing is the money. Okay, we'll do a $10. Ay, you guys. All right, getting in the black bag again. Here we go. Now we're in for 3. Concernment level is pretty high. Back to 15s. Let's give it a shot. If we can get a bonus. Boom, 4 more. The mini's $250, the minor's $12.50. Instant jackpot there. 2 more? Boy, you go up. Oh, wait. This should be pretty good. 51. Thank you very much. 5 more. 1 more. I think it's right up there, you guys. No, that was a diamond. Never mind. Here, I'm getting excited for something that doesn't even count. 21. Okay, we're hanging on here. We're hanging on by a thread. Boy, rich person betting. It goes fast, you guys. It's not like my little $5. Well, I shouldn't say little $5 because $5 is still a lot of money. Stop it! $300, you guys. Oh my gosh. See, rich person betting, sure, it takes it down fast, but just hitting one line hit can, bam, bring it right back up. Bam! Stop it! $312, you guys. Okay, we're up. We're up. A little bit of Profitsville there. Okay, let's keep going. Come on, Heartthrob, give us a bonus. I think we're deserving of a bonus right now. Uh-oh, we're below our 300 now. Ay. Oh, I'm kind of feeling going back to $2. Okay, 36. Oh, it'd be so much fun to get a bonus. So much fun to get a bonus. Why aren't you giving us a bonus? Hello? Is bonus home? Oh, 3 more. Darn first real curse. 3 more? I think this is the most we've ever gotten with the hearts is just 3. Okay, now 4. All right. No, it's eating too much money. I'm going back to $2. We're betting 10. Oh my gosh, I see that. See the muscle in that arm, you guys? I didn't mean to stop it. 2 more. 14. Oh, I'd love 5 of a kind hit on $2. 3 more. Oh my gosh. Couldn't even say it that fast. Guys, we can do this together. We've all just got to put our magnetic energy into the gears of the machine and have it spit out a bonus for us. $4. Oh gosh, I did it again. The muscle in the arm is too strong. Oh no, down to 3 more. Do it, do it. We went from $330 down to $99. So fast. All right. 6 hearts, please. 6 hearts, and one of them be the minor for $2,500. Oh gosh, wouldn't that be incredible? Oh. Uh-oh. 49 left. 2 more, 2 more. All right, so we're in for 3. And it's looking like we're gonna have to be in for 4. Oh, wait. Oh, 2 moons right at the end. Do it. Anything? 1 more spin. Come on, Aunt, save us with something. Okay, couldn't save us. All right, going in for another one here. Now we're in for 4. Oh, this rich person betting. Ay. Now, let's get off of $1 and $2. Let's try our dimes. Oh my gosh, I have to go up this high. Oh, rich person betting $12.50. But here we have 25 lines to play with. So this could be something special. Of course, 2 moons. Oh my gosh, did you see that heart? Stop it, we got it. We got it. Did you see that last heart, though? $625. Oh my God. We got a $100 mini and an array of wonderfulness. You guys, here we go. Here we go. Minors 500. And just to remind everybody, well, no, not to remind, that major is now capped at 1,000. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. The stand is falling over. $1,000 capped out major. Here we go. Oh no. Hello, Ginormica Ring. Bring us 1 more heart, please. Yes, thank you, $25. Love you. Uh-oh. Don't take me to the anxiety spin. Oh, $12. Thank you, baby. Oh, no. Raise the hearts up just a little bit from $12, please. Just a little bit. All right, well, at least it's keeping us in it. Minor, please. Major, please. Anything? Anything? Stop it! $250. Okay. That was a raise. I saw the minor. That was a raise from $12 just as I... Yes! Let's go. Oh, I think I saw the mini over there, you guys. Last spin. Come on, Ann. Save us. 3 spots. Save us. Save us. Did you see the major? Did you see the major? I saw the major. Bam! Yes! That's what I'm talking about, you guys. I jacked up the camera. I don't know what I've done here. $550. Stop it, dollars, you guys. We're at $621. Oh no, I've lost count now. Are we in for 4? I'm trying to listen to you guys. You're all yelling. It's either 4 or 5. I think it's 4 because we were at 3. Then I had to go in for 1 more. So I think it's 4. I think I'm right at 4. Okay, let's keep going. 2 more. I thought we were going to be those people, you guys. I thought we were going to be those people. 3 more. Darn your first real curse. Now, if we can get the moons on a cray-cray bet like this, and we have 25 lines, that really could be something special, you guys. Really could be something special. Rich person betting could come through like nobody's business. 2 more. 1 more. Oh, 496 now. What? Mamma mia, come on. Oh, I told myself I wasn't going to say that word, mamma mia, because I always say it, because I'm Italian. And I was like, don't start saying it on the channel. And 3 more. Uh-oh, 409. We're back to our original. Gosh, that means I just gave back $200? I saw the major go around again. Ay. Don't do the Mamma Mia, Aunt. It almost came out again, you guys. A high 5 now? Uh-oh. I better switch to noms. I better get out of here. Let's go back to 2s and do the $10 bet. 2 has not been very friendly to us. The $1 gave us a $300 line hit, but $2 hasn't done anything for us. Come on, Heart Throb. Let's do the free spin. One more. Wow. That was starting to sound good. Oh, just 1. Can you guys see this? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 900. It would have been time to cash out after that, you guys. Rich person betting would have been over. It would have been done. Gosh, we had 3 chances just to get 1 more heart. Some presents for 10 though. I like presents, you guys. Presents are fun. Unless you open it up and you're missing 1 heart and you get high-fived. I like presents too, especially when they're presents from my treehouse, Aunt. You haven't given me a present in a long time. Get out of here. Uh-oh, 3, just do it. Guys, I saw the major. Again. Heart Throb's not playing nice right now. I'm thinking, oh, that was $40. Oh, I didn't even see the king. 1 more, just do it. The moon is right here. I was thinking about going back to dimes, but now I'm like, ooh, maybe I should stay here. Two more? Yeah, $2 is beyond poopy loopy. Beyond poopy loopy. 1 more spin and we're going back to dimes. Yep. Because we get the 25 lines to play with. Oh no, not 250. Oh, phew, I thought it was going to give us the bonus. This is rich person betting. rich person betting day. My heart is palpitating with rich person day though. Oh, or rich person betting day. Okay. $37, thank you very much. One more. Guys, what is wrong with this game? Two at the end, couldn't just give us one. You know what I'm saying? You feel my pain, you guys. You feel the sadness, pain. I saw the major again. I saw it again. Oh no, 22. I think I saw it again. And then 2. Oh, wait. I think that's going to save us pretty good. $90. 2, 3. Oh. My heart is breaking, you guys. That means my heart is breaking. I think I saw it again. I think I saw the major again. Now I think I see it every spin. I don't know what's happening. I need to stop. Just, okay. If it comes out, it comes out. It is what it is. $2. Please. You guys saw it. It's right there. Doesn't matter. We're missing 2 anyway. One more. It could have been the last spin save. The last spin save. But it's not our last spin because I'm still going. Well, do you think we should go back to dollars? I won't do the 15. That took it down way too quick. 10 is still pretty rich person betting. In my book, it is. Especially since we only have that 5 lines to play with. 2 more. No, thank you. Oh, no. Guys? Okay, 32. That helps. This is this, you guys. This is this. Well, I'm trying to bet these higher denoms, thinking that maybe we'll get a mini or minor or something. But I'm losing count now. Somebody's going to have to tell me where I'm at. Because I don't even know. Why don't you like this 100? Oh, look at this 100, you guys. That's why it doesn't like it. It's all chewed up at the end. Let me try it this way. Nope, it won't take it. All right, let me get one more out. I'm going to do 2 cents. Oh, no, maybe I do. Oh, no, let's do 5 cents max bet. Oh, this is cray-cray, you guys. I am going cray-cray. Max bet, $12.50, right? Yeah. Ooh, this is crazy. Oh, come on, Nickels. Do something for us. 3 moons? 6 hearts? Anything? Oh, I thought maybe that was our opportunity to get the moons. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is... Oh, I don't even have enough money. All right, nickels didn't work. What about 2 cents? Just going down the line. 2 cents, max bet, $10. Three more. Come on, Aunt. 4. I tell you, like I said earlier, Heart Throb can be a toughie. I'll just leave it at that word. We cannot get those moons to save our life, you guys. Last spin again. Well, one more. This might make 1,000. I don't know. Yes, how are you doing today? You winning? Not yet. Turn it around. Time to turn it around. All right, you guys.
Trying to see if they have like a pattern, or you already know they have a pattern.
Oh, I don't know. They have a pattern of taking my money.
Oh, yeah.
That's the pattern for me. All right, you guys, back to $2. We're gonna try this. $10 bets again. Let's see what happens. This is our last chance for more. 2 more? I tell you guys. 3 more. Oh, we're just getting smashed. We're getting smashed. Come on, Heart Throb. Throb us into a big bonus. Oh, wait. $40. Okay. Good job. Oh, you got it. That's okay. You got to start somewhere and you work up, right? All right, 4 more spins to get us that moon. Two more. Come on, Ann. Do it. Do it. Ah, they went by. Last spin. And the first real curse. Darn it. All right, you guys. I think I have to stop it there, don't I? I decided not to stop there, you guys. On these? Oh, yeah. Guys, let's go back to our dollars. Let's see if dollars can come through for us. Let's do 10. I was going to go 15. One more. Stop it. I should have gone 15. $500, 100, 150, 150. Now I think we're in for 1,000 or maybe 1,100. I don't know what we're in for. Maybe we're gonna get our money back, you guys. I don't. Wait. Okay, let's go. Here we go. Let's get a minor for $12.50. Oh, I saw the major. It's in play, you guys. Can we land the major? Okay, thank you, $20. I was going to say, can we get anything to keep going? Come on, Ann. 2 more spins. Save us. Oh, no. I'm asking for a save. We've got 7 spots. Come on, Ginormica ring. Let's go. Here we go. Anything. Save us. No, savage. Okay, let's add this up, you guys. We got trumpets. And we got the clap from everybody. They clapped for us. Just under a hand pay, you guys. Hallelujah. Dollars came through for us, you guys. That was it. Not $2, not dimes. Although we did have a nice bonus on dimes. Yeah, we did have a nice bonus on dimes, but then I blew through it. You guys, 1,040. Stop it, dollars. 1,134. I think we're in somewhere for 1,100 range, something like that. Let's give it a couple more spins. See if that moon bonus is hiding in here. Let's see. Oh, 5 more, 2 more, 1 more. Oh, it's right there. Here, pull up your pants. Pull it up, you guys. 2 more spins. Wait. I think that's pretty good. Oh, we got the dun-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Oh, you guys, it's over $100. It's over $100. Wait, Oh my gosh, we got 5 of a kind queens. That's why. How much is that? Oh, the queens are $100 alone. $140. Guys, we're at a jackpot without being at a jackpot-ish. You know what I mean. 5 more spins. Our cash out's 12 now. We got real lucky there. Although maybe now Heart Throb is turning around. I don't know if I'm willing to find out. One more spin. Oh, well, that was weird. What happened there? It flickered. It's like the lights flickered. Oh, I kind of want to just go to 11 and have an even cash out. No. I'm cashing it right there, you guys. That's it. I'm cashing. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I almost just knocked you over. Wee. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I can't believe we got that miracle turnaround saved there at the last minute. I tell you guys, rich person betting, it makes me sweat. Something profusely bad. I don't even know if I said that right, you guys. Until we meet again on the next video, take care of yourselves. You know, I love you lots. You guys have a super fantastic day, and we will see you next time, you guys. You know, it's very stressful to do rich person betting, but it's also very, very exciting. I love it. All right, you guys, we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody. You guys, I played on a little bit more. I put in another 100, and I got a couple of line hits. It brought me up. Then it started taking me down. I got 4 moons. 4 moons. Let's see what this does on dollars. Oh my gosh. I just couldn't leave it. I just was like, there must be a moon bonus in here somewhere, you guys. 4 moons paid us $100. Here we go. Oh my gosh, so excited. Okay, some queens. How much is that? $80. Okay. So we just need to line these diamonds up. We only have 5 lines to play with here. We need to make it count, you guys. So excited. Come on, rich person betting. Hearts and moons, stay out of our way. Oh, don't block us. Uh-oh, last spin. All right, a little bit there on the end to boot. Is that over 200? Yeah. 224, okay. Means we made, what, $124 in that bonus. Okay, well, we got it. We saw it. I wanted to share it with you guys. And there we go. Guys, so I played on a little bit more and we got it again. 3 moons this time, $20. Here we go. Can we beat our last one? Can we get those diamonds to line up? Or bonus in the bonus? Come on, Aunt. 3 more spins. 4 diamonds to line up with a premium symbol. Of course, it blocks us. Darn it. Okay, we got some presents. How much are those presents worth? I don't know, I'm trying to look here. $240 on those presents. Gotta love it, you guys. Gotta love it. See, and that's just 2 of those. Imagine if there was 1 more here and there on that. It would have been a hand pay. Hand pay. All right, what do we have? 2 more spins? Oh no, 1 more spin. Let's make it count, you guys. Do it, Aunt. Something magical. No magic. But, how much is it? $370. $600. $600. That's it. I'm cashing out. Done. Cash out, yes. Here we go, you guys.